Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jared Myers, and today we're going to talk about how much it cost me to remodel my kitchen with the Ikea Kitchen Cabinet system, and maybe thinking about remodeling your own kitchen and kind of wondering, what kind of budget, how much you're going to spend. So today we're going to go over the whole amount that I paid and then break it down a little bit so you can maybe take parts out and put parts in that you think would apply to your kitchen and maybe get an idea of what kind of cost you're looking at. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so for my entire kitchen remodel, which included a lot of things, I spent $10,731.34. Okay, now that is for the entire kitchen renovation, not just for the Ikea cabinets. If you're gonna go with just Ikea cabinets, your cost is going to be drastically less than mine. Okay, so let's break it down a little bit so you can understand the numbers and hopefully apply it to what you're working on. I broke it down into three numbers. First is what I spent on the Ikea kitchen cabinets, $5,084.04, which includes the Ikea kitchen cabinets, the hardware to make all the doors work and things like that, all the drawers, kick plates, mounting stuff. So there's a lot in that number. The second number, the appliances that I bought. And I bought my appliances through Ikea because they had a 5-year warranty, which was way more than most warranties on any appliances that you buy. So I really liked that idea. I knew it would fit in the Ikea kitchen cabinets because that's the way they had it spec'd out. And I liked the way they looked. And the price was actually pretty decent. So I bought a flat cooktop, in-wall microwave and oven. And that total for all three of those was $2,247.30. All right, so we got the Ikea kitchen cabinets, and then we have the appliances. And my third number was $3,400, and that included all my purchases at Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, and other online stores to get everything else I needed to finish up my kitchen. I bought a wide array of things. I bought lots of new tools, supplies for things like the butcher block island, painting. I bought faucet for the sink, the lights, electrical supplies, supplies for the backsplash, plumbing, ceiling fan, the stools, the supplies to build the shelves behind me, curtains, and just so many other things I'm probably forgetting because there's many times when you're working on this and you're going to stop and you're going to go to the hardware store and get some random $10 thing and come back and keep working. All right, so what you're really here for is Ikea and the cost for Ikea kitchen cabinet system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down kind of each cabinet grouping so you can kind of see what price you might pay versus going to a big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's and kind of get an idea of you can compare apples to apples kind of. I mean, what you're going to find in the Home Depot and Lowe's stores is not going to have the same functionality or customizability that you can get with Ikea. However, you can buy solid wood, which is a big concern of a lot of people, versus the pressed wood that you would get with Ikea. Sure, I would prefer it to be wood, but the combination that you get with Ikea it just made more sense. So let's go ahead and break down those cabinets. I'm going to take you around the kitchen. So that wraps it up for me. That's how much I spent on my IKEA kitchen remodel. I'd love to hear what you plan on spending on yours. And, what's your budget? What are you trying to get done? I'd love to hear about it down in the comments below. And until next time, stay healthy, hug the ones you love, and keep drinking that sweet, sweet coffee.